Hey, turn my mic up. What's up, you guys? I haven't seen y'all in so long. I haven't filmed in so long. This feels so weird. First of all, a little disclaimer: if the lighting keeps going in and out, or if it's not like picking up colors correctly, hopefully I can fix it in editing. But I don't know what's going on with the lighting today. I'm sitting here literally for like 30-45 minutes trying to fix it, but got my little pony going on today, giving you I don't even know what I'm giving you, but so I've already done my eyebrows off of camera. Today I'm going to try to look at you guys and not at myself. It's such a habit and it's so hard to do that, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the P.Louise Rumor 3 base. I tried to get the Rumor 2, but it was sold out for too long, and I was like, I really need and want to try the primer base. So I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna just get whatever's closest to it, and I'm just gonna prime that eye. And the way they do it on Instagram, they pat it in. If you've ever seen their cut creases or anything like that, you know, child, like, it's no game. I'm definitely going to be doing a updated eyebrow tutorial because I get so many questions on how I do my eyebrows, what products I use to do my eyebrows, what's goody. So I'm definitely going to be doing that very, very soon. It's pretty bright when you first put it on. Like, you see how white it looks. But honestly, I don't care. And plus, when you put your eyeshadows on top, it's gonna pop those colors even more. Who doesn't want that, right? And I noticed that when I was doing this eye, I was like moving it. I wouldn't recommend doing that just because you will start to see the pigmentation of your own skin pop through. So patting it is what they recommend you to do. Not necessarily with this type of brush, but this works for me. Usually what I've seen them do is use like a round, flat type of brush. But I'm used to blending out concealer on my eye with this brush, so I just use what was comfortable for me. I'm using these Juvia's Place palettes that I got way back when they were on sale, and girl, did I jump on that sale. And how beautiful. I probably used the palette only like once or twice. That's why you see like some of these 3 colors are missing. This color I used today, so that's why that's like that. Oh my god, so beautiful. Like, what? Yes, honey, so nice. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot more. Oh, I've been asleep on these Juvia's Place palettes. I'm not gonna hold you. To my handy dandy Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. It's just because I really love this color here, this like yellow shade as my transition. So that's what I used. And yes, I brought it all the way up to my brow bone. And I've been really looking at the way the P.Louise Academy does their makeup, and it's just so stunning. It's like I'm there in the class, you know? And I love the way the color payoff is on top of this base. Like, what? If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking into the mirror. But I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long. I've been working. I'm good. Thanks for asking. I'm going in with this orange color right here. And I'm going to place that above my crease. The reason I'm taking it up so high is because, as you can see on this eye, and that's why I like doing like one eye first, so that you guys can kind of see where we're going, is when you look on this eye, you can kind of tell that you can still see the orange behind the deeper colors. So that's why I'm taking it up so high, so that when we cut that crease, honey, you still gonna see it. You're not gonna lose those colors, you know what I mean? And I'm taking it way far out. I'm going into this brown here. And with this one, I'm going in the crease. And this is where I'm gonna start to deepen and create that crease to where we're gonna cut. Now I'm going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just picking up this reddish brown shade and this purpley black shade here. And I'm going to blend that into my crease, just so that we can have a little bit of definition. Like, you see how you see a little dark color here in the crease? That's what we're creating, boo-boo. And I'm literally taking that so lightly. And if I had a better crease brush, this will be a little more defined. But I'm going back in with the P.Louise base, and I'm taking a round small shadow brush to cut my crease. I'm gonna show you two ways that you can cut your crease to make it easier for you guys. One way is you can put the concealer here and look up, and then it'll show you where you should cut your crease. But the thing about this technique is that I personally like my crease to be cut a lot more further up. This is what it would look like if I follow that line. The reason I go a little higher up is because I have a hooded eye. So to create an actual like nice deep cut crease, I go a little higher up than that. The color that I'm putting on my lids, which is this beautiful yellow, child. And I would say that this is like a mustard yellow. It's a little brighter than a mustard yellow, to be honest, but I like to really go in and get some product, child. And I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna pat it right on top. And of course, at first, when you put the color on, it's not as potent, but you go back in and you just pack it, honey. I'm gonna go back in now that I've filled in my entire crease. Lid. I'm gonna go back into this burnt brown color that we took into the crease before. This deep color that I took into the crease, and I'm gonna kind of lightly smoke out that edge. I should really curl these lashes a little bit, but I don't care. Let me tell you about this NYX won't stop, can't stop, never gonna stop, don't stop foundation. It's actually called the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Won't stop, get down, get down. Anybody who could say this foundation and not sing that song, kudos to you. Love, love, love this foundation. She's full coverage, baby. Ooh. So I have this new MAC lipstick that I've been dying to wear. It's called Frost, and it's like this pretty orange, but I don't know. We're gonna see. We're just gonna see. I did the bottom lashes. Don't ask me how I did it, but I'm trying not to blink too hard. Can't find my lip sharpener, but I'm taking this brown lip liner. Oh, that is pretty. You can see how dry, crushed my lips are. That's gross. And then, even when you think your lips are moisturized, they ain't, honey. I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty balm. Give my face one more spray. Okay, so yeah, that is the look. I'm gonna go get dressed for you guys, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And this is my first fallish, like end of summer, but summer really ain't gone because it's still hot, but then it want to be cold and confuse people kind of look. All the products that I use will be listed below for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment below any video requests that you would like to see me do on my channel, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bells on. But I do really appreciate you guys supporting me. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look, and I'll see you guys in the next one.